Soar through life with the Aviator from College Park. This versatile foot offers comfort, flexibility, and energy return for your next adventure.
I became an amputee 16 years ago in 2007. I was in a car accident out in Las Vegas. I fell asleep driving at the wheel and the guardrail came through and severed everything but my Achilles tendon on the left side, so there weren't any choices left but to amputate at that point. It was about a 3-month waiting period for any of the swelling to go down from the trauma from the amputation, because I had to have 3 surgeries. Then they put me in a prosthetic and I walked a mile the first day. What's important to me is being able to be active. So being on my prosthetic for 16 hours a day, I want to be able to do the daily chores, right? I want to do laundry, I want to cook dinner, but I also am active, whether that's a bike ride, golfing, going for a walk outside. Being able to be active is very important to me.
The sleek Aviator allows for up to 10 millimeters of vertical shock absorption, which can reduce pressure and impact on the body. The Aviator's base spring is made of carbon fiber for energy return, and the upper spring is built with College Park's handmade Intelliweave fiberglass for flexibility and strength.
My favorite feature from the Aviator is probably the shock absorption, because it offers a stability that I did not have on the strict carbon foot. It almost feels like a real ankle pushing down and giving you that return. The Aviator offers a linear movement that I didn't have prior. It just gives me that little bit of direction in the foot versus the entire leg or body having to go. I am excited that the Aviator is freshwater proof, so I can stand in the water, whether it's a river, a beach, a lake, a pond. I haven't done it in years. So in 16 years, I have not let anything hold me back, but I would say the Aviator is making all these challenges that I take on effortless.
When life gets turbulent, the Aviator can help you stay the course. To learn more, please visit college-park.com/aviator.